Welcome to the Connected Media Europe studio at BVE 2018, and I'm joined by Kip Schauer, Global Head of Media and Entertainment at Google Cloud. Kip, it's your first time for Google Cloud exhibiting here at BVE, and you're sponsoring the studio, which is great. Why are you here?
So Google Cloud is invested here at BVE because we have committed to the media and entertainment space and broadcasters. We've acquired companies that allow us to provide unique technology to these companies, and we've really taken an enterprise focus here at Google Cloud to focus on the customers that are here from their needs. And so that's why we're here. We're super excited to be here, and we have a big booth, and we'd love for everybody to come by and spend some time with our experts.
I'm sure they will, and actually a lot of the organizations we've been interviewing, talking to, the big themes for them at BVE 2018 are personalization of content, things are data-driven, and also streaming. What's Google Cloud doing in these areas?
That's a great question. We actually have two big focus parts of our booth that are on these two topics. Google acquired a company called Envato a year and a half ago. It is an end-to-end streaming solution out of the cloud. So we made the transition a couple years ago to help broadcasters bring in their video signal, do all the processing in the cloud, and then be able to play out from the cloud over obviously content distribution networks. But if you look at the Envato solution, it goes everywhere from encoding all the way to the play out. So we can provide that full solution for broadcasters. The other big piece of our booth is machine learning. Everybody's talking about machine learning. It's very, very new.
It's a buzzword, isn't it?
It is an absolute buzzword here at the booth. But Google, today, you can go onto our website and upload video content into the machine learning algorithms, and it will start to tell you what's in your content. So you can enrich your metadata. You can detect scene changes. You can do this with video, stills, as well as text or voice to text, right? So we have 5 different APIs that are available today in the machine learning area that you can dig into, you can get started. That's the exciting thing about machine learning is you don't have to invest massively to start to test it out and figure out what's available today. So we go from the easy, or if you have teams of data scientists, Google has released TensorFlow, which is the open source machine learning, and you can build very, very complex machine learning algorithms that specifically address your need. And then one of the new items in machine learning we've announced recently is called AutoML. What does that mean? It means that you can train the machine learning algorithms on your own content. So if you're a movie studio and you have a particular type of content, or you're a broadcaster and have a different type of content, you can start to feed it into these machine learning algorithms, and they start to learn on your data instead of just generalized data. Really exciting times. Google's just bringing on the first partners, and so that's the machine learning part. So streaming and machine learning are so critical for this market. That's why Google's investing heavily in the media and entertainment teams, and we've created teams dedicated just to media and entertainment.
Everyone watching will want to know what Google thinks is going to happen next.
Exactly.
From your point of view, if you had a crystal ball, what kind of developments would we be seeing in 2018 and beyond? Yeah,
it's all about personalizing the content. There are millions and millions of phones now that we're all watching content, the web, there's devices all over the place we can watch our content, which has been great because now it allows more content to be produced. But as you're producing that content, how do you connect with me? How do you connect with you? And the data behind it. Google's BigQuery, which is our data analytics platform where you feed all the data in, you start to bring in your player data, the information of who's watching what. Google Analytic data. Any other information you know about customers, you can bring this in, start to run your own algorithms and understand your customer and what they want to watch and be able to serve up the right content at the right time so that customers are watching your content as a broadcaster. So Crystal Ball will be more personalized data and getting that data to the screen that our customers want to watch it on, whether it's their phone, whether it's a connected device. that's what I see happening, is pulling all this good data that we have about our content, making the metadata about the content so we know more about what is in the video, marrying those two together, which you can do on the cloud, right? Because now you can run machine learning on it, you can put it all together in our data analytics packages, combine those, and then deliver the streaming experience to the customer so that they're watching what they want when they want.
Well, great talking to you, Kip. Thank you very much for your time. Really interesting to hear what Google's thinking right now about all these really important areas. And we hope you'll be back next year and you'll tell us more.
We will absolutely be. It's a great show for us, and thanks so much.